Shawley from Estate Assurance. I'm here with Whitney today, and Whitney is actually a new home buyer. So she is going to ask us some questions that may be helpful to you as our audience.
Okay, so what services do you offer at Estate Assurance?
So at Estate Assurance, we offer a variety of services, which are home and auto insurance, which comes under property and casualty. That also includes some business insurance, your toys, campers, four-wheelers, any kind of motor-operated toy that you might think of that needs insurance. We can cover that as well. And we can also do some bundling, which gives you a better rate on all of the products put together.
Okay.
We can also offer a bundle which would include your life insurance, like you see some of the commercials on TV that will offer kind of all those services together.
Okay, next, does homeowners insurance cover flooding?
That's a really good question, and the answer is no. Flooding is its own problem, and you have to have flood insurance, and there's a lot of things that go into getting a flood insurance quote and whether or not you qualify for a flood insurance quote. If you are in a flood zone, if you have a mortgage, the bank will require you to have flood insurance. So if that's something that you need, we can also help you with that at the office. Now, homeowners insurance with a rider or an endorsement for backup coverage of water and sewage, they will cover that. So if you have drain backup or a toilet backup or something like that, and you have some flooding inside your house because of that reason from your drainage, that can be covered, but the policy must be endorsed to add that coverage.
Also, do I need replacement coverage on my contents?
The answer to that is not as cut and dry as you think it should be. I'm going to tell you yes. For example, if you have a 10-year-old TV, you don't want them to give you actual cash value in the event of a claim, because that actual cash value isn't going to be enough to replace that television in today's market. So you want to have replacement costs so that you're guaranteed to replace your stuff and be in the same position that you were before your claim.
Okay. And last of all, we are in the very initial stages of shopping and comparing, and with all those phone calls initially starting, it's just kind of hard to know what to have on hand whenever you're shopping. So can you tell me a little bit what I need to get a quote?
Absolutely. It can be a little overwhelming. So the first thing that we start with is your personal information and your spouse's information if you're married, of course. Then we'll need information about the house, of course, the address, how old the house is if you know. Sometimes it's helpful if you're buying a home to have the multi-list listing available. That helps the home insurance agent to get more information that you might not know. The age of the home, I think I said, the size of the home, what kind of things are in the home as far as does it have hardwood floor versus linoleum, does it have carpet, how many floors is it. Most of the time an insurance agent will go and take pictures sometime throughout the process to get a better idea of what the replacement cost should be. Other than that, there are some other questions about the heating system, the plumbing systems, when updates were made. So if you're buying a home, the real estate agent should tell you those things, and that's something that you should be able to get a hold of. Your garage, 1, 2, 3 car, whether it's attached, detached, whether you have any other structures such as sheds, barns, anything like that. You want to make sure that you have adequate coverage for as many buildings as you may or may not have. It can be very detailed, or if it's a simple home, it might not take quite as long. We've done properties as little as, a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, small cottage, up into about 17,000 square foot mansions. So anything that you have that's livable, we can find a place to insure it here at Estate Assurance.